Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out.
I really don't know.
Not the wind blowing. Oh my god, it's windy.
Yeah, it's blowing.
Around. Oh shit.
So you guys, we made it to Miami Beach. We are in the parking garage right now. It's very gloomy, very gloomy, cloudy. Wind is blowing the trees like crazy. But it's not supposed to rain until 7. So let's see how that goes.
I would ask you if you ever ridiculous, but you lost that a while ago. Hi, bitches.
So you guys, we are inside of BACON I've been calling everybody bitch. And this is Heishan. Look at her. I didn't even introduce her. Look at her. I can't turn it because of YouTube, you know. But yes, you guys, my first time. The food looks really good, so I can't wait to show you. Stay tuned.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on his
Hi, bitch. Come on in. Don't be shy.
group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, match that fake ass coat. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoes.
Y'all, we are still at BACON Bitch. We have not ate. We've only drunk. Once you get inside, what they do is put you inside this a bar, basically a bar area where you could drink, and you drink while you wait for your food. Yeah, a setup, but a setup. So we all got drinks now, literally. We all got drinks. Somebody just asked to fly us out too, girl. It was a girl, two females, women, we a man. They just want to be like that. Okay, y'all, so we just left BACON Bitch. I don't know why I'm showing y'all like it has its name on it, but just left. And your girl got the itis. I got the itis. This is how it looks from the outside. So, we're leaving now. At the croissant, I'm not even sure if I showed y'all my food. How rude. But I have some videos, so I'm gonna let y'all see it. But look at the line to get in. I'm trying to get my vlog. But yeah, girl. So that's the line just to get in though. So Miami is definitely a busy place. But it's cute. Look at this. It's cute. But now we're about to go on the beach. Live like some bad bitches on the sea. Bye. So y'all, this is the vibes. We made it to the beach. It is still very cloudy, but we're gonna enjoy this time. Maybe get some drinks, do some TikToks, live our little lives. Haven't introduced you to the crew, so let me show y'all who I'm rolling with. Jamisha.
Hi.
Miami.
Yes. This is your Miami Miss Beach.
Miami. Yeah.
When you like a picture, when you like it or something, then you can't find it, you just like, damn, what the fuck is it called? Hey, baby, like. Wait, come on. Hey, baby.
Hey, babe. Soulja Boy did that? Oh, no, it's not.
You
already make Keyshawn. Yes, look at this cutie. Say hi. Why is everybody in Miami fit? I'm so upset.
I think the
Oh, damn, that sounds sad when you say it like that, though. Yeah, what y'all think?
I think my black person, we gonna complain, bro. This is never a day.
We just did some TikToks. I'm gonna let y'all see like I'm just gonna let y'all see TikTok.
Wait, hold up. Is you drinking again?
Nah, it's just tea.
What kind of tea?
Tequila.
But
You know, it's already cold already.
out if they want to go in the water. I'm not going in the water. You see how my lashes are growing? Maybe not. But, bitch, it is windy. It looks like it's about to rain. A couple droplets has already happened. But we're here. And the vibes is here. About to get a drink, an aid. It's good to for real. Damn, they low as fuck. These pelicans are low. I be calling them pelicans. But these birds are low as hell. Look at this. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, these are the waves. They are definitely coming in. It is spring break, and you know, you come here to be with everybody and everything and turn up. But it's a Monday. It's a Monday. There's barely anybody here, you know, because it's a Monday. But I like that. Like, I'm one of those people, I would like to go places when it's not busy and still have the same great time than when it's a bunch of other people, and probably decrease my enjoyability of, you know, what I'm doing. So I like that it's not too many people here. So I already got shitted on today, and these birds are terrorizing fucking us. They are fucking terrorizing us. It was just this one, but now he brought a friend. Oh shit! Y'all see them? You know, we've been attacked. Y'all, it's our first day on the beach. Probably our only day because we looked up the weather, and it's going to be windy and rainy the whole time we're here. Great. Look at her. This is how bad the wind. That's how bad the wind is. But this is the beach before we leave. Y'all, it's so windy and cold. I had to throw my jacket on. But I had to show y'all the beach before we leave, because this may be our only time to, you know. Damn, look at these birds. Look at them terrorizing us a fucking in. Terrorizing. Look at them terrorizing. Y'all, these birds are fucking terrorizing us. They got us running around the fucking beach. Running around the beach. Looking crazy. This is the ghetto. Look, still learning. Living the beach. Beach, we live in the beach.
Much later.
Now you guys, we are at a taco spot. It's called Coyo, C-O-Y-O, and we are here getting tacos. I'm about to show y'all the tacos they're making for us right now. Yeah, it smells good. So far, this is the only place. That we were able to get into. But I'm gonna show y'all the tacos, show y'all how it looks. We're in Coyo, you know, the place I told y'all about where we getting the tacos at. We got our tacos. I did not show y'all, but we about to see what this private room is about. Central, look at your wristband, babe. I didn't want to say anything, but
Sorry.
The club was nice. Okay, we got club
boys
was
better
fun.
go to fuck.
Club was lit as fuck. For real, we didn't have to pay for to get in. We didn't have to pay for drinks. We got 2 drinks for free.
It's a nice car and shit.
Yeah, come on, let's go before they hit us.
Oh,
Go.
That's my leg fall.
no.
Almost died. But y'all, your girl is lit. We went to this club. I forgot what it was called. I think it's Central. I think it's called Central. It's the club. As we were walking to another club that's down the street, the owner had saw us and was like, hey, you know, just speaking to us. And it's my friend's birthday, so he was like, he'll give us free drinks. So he gave us free drinks. And then this older guy, you know, he trying to get the punani. He got us some drinks, but you know, we moved away from him once we got them drinks. But it was lit. We had so much fun. So you guys, we are back inside of the Airbnb. But today was really good, you guys. Like, I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown of what happened. We went to one club. They turned us down because my friend had on sandals. They said, you need to have a bag. Without a bag, we can't serve you. You cannot come inside of this facility. So we end up getting some food. We end up getting some tacos from this place called Coyo, which you guys saw inside of my video. We went to Coyo together, okay? But they end up having like a secret club, not a secret, but a back club inside the bag. We end up going there. It was more of like a fist pump type vibe. So we sat there for a while. We fist pumped, you know, we lived our little lives, you know, seeing what that was like. And then we moved on to the next club. Our next club, as we're walking back to the car, we met this other person giving away free tickets. And those free tickets were to this club that's down the street. And as we're walking towards the club, we thought it was one spot. But this guy was like, oh, no, it's this one right here. I'm like, okay, cool. You know, we're walking towards it. And he's like, yeah, I'm the owner. Da-da-da-da. My friend's like, it's my birthday. Like, you the owner. Like, hey. And he's like, you know, I'm going to give you guys free shots. So he gave us a free shot for her birthday. And then we turned the fuck up. It was just so much fun. Goofy dancing is my specialty. So I goofy danced the whole fucking night. I did a little twerking, you know, a little cute, little sexy love. In case somebody was looking and was like, oh, she looking fine because she moved that body. You know, I did a little. But I'm a goofy dancer. I realized my dancing is like my personality. And I'm a goofy dancer. Because I'm a goofy girl. Anyways, it was a blast. Like, I have bad bitches for friends, and that's so cool. Just seeing them be fine every day, it's like, whoa, damn, bitch. You fine as fuck. You know, I don't know. I enjoy that feeling. I'm so tired, and we have 4, maybe 6, depending on some situations, days left here. So I don't know. I may need to not drink tomorrow. But I was lit today. Bye.